Hello, we are four girls from SDG 17, Club in Navas.
We come to invite you to join our club and organize actions in our town to promote the sustainable development.
Here are some ideas for you.
Send the message of the SDGs to your family and your friends.
Create a group in your local community and do actions to promote the implementations of the SDGs.
Adopt and implement investment. Promote sustainable development.
Encourage your governments, families and friends with Hussaina for the implementation of the SDGs.
Are you ready